In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do the Tunisian crochet knit stitch. So again, I'm just following on from the swatch that we've been using in the previous tutorials. And this one looks basically like the stocking stitch in knitting. So I showed you the purl stitch, which is this, which looks exactly like the knitting stitch as well. So to work the knit stitch in the Tunisian crochet, we're going to be working into these loops but through the back of the work. So we're going to go through this loop, but then we're also going to go straight through the back of the work as well, and bring the yarn through and hook it up. Okay, so I'll show you that again. We're going to go through this stitch here and straight through to the back of the work as well. Bring the yarn through and loop, put your stitch up on the hook. So you can see already there that it's starting to form like the stocking stitch. So you do this to the end of the row. So through the stitch as normal, but then you're going to go out through the back of the work and bring the yarn through. Okay, so I'll show you that again, in there and out through the back and bring your yarn through. Okay, so you do that all the way to the end of the row. These are all quite simple once you have the basics. And this is just called the Tunisian knit stitch. Okay, and when you get to the end of the row, you're going to do like we usually do. And we're going to go in through here and the back. Okay. So there you can see them all up again. We're going to finish off as normal. So you're going to do your yarn over through the first loop, then yarn over through 2 loops all the way to the end of the row. And you can see there it forms that little V like you get in the stocking stitch when you're knitting. Okay, that's the first row worked. So we're going to do another row in the knit stitch just so that you can see what it looks like when you've got a couple of rows done. So you can see it pulling up there, how it looks like the stocking stitch. Okay, all the way to the end, and you've got your last stitch there, like that. Okay. I think I might have missed a stitch.